In today's video, we will try to learn about bank reconciliation statement and how to check that. For this, we will took an example. You can see the example from our description link, and here we have to follow few steps for bank reconciliation statement. For this, I want to make a new company because we want to learn from the basics to advance of BRS. So we'll create a company from press F3, then go with create company, then create. I want to put the name of the company BRS for understanding. BRS Limited, sorry, BRS Limited, state will be West Bengal, GST will be not applicable, so I will make this GST no and press Ctrl A for save the screen. The saving is complete. Now we will pass the vouchers entries in the books of BRS Limited. For passing these entries, we will go with vouchers. Then we will press F4 for contra entry. Now we will press F2 for changing the date. The date will be 31st 07 2024. Press enter. Now credit will be the cash and put the value of 20,000 as mentioned in our question. Oh, sorry, it will be 20,000 because we don't have any cash, so it is showing our negative cash. So if you have, then it will not show you. Just for example, we will take this, and then debit will be the bank account. For this we don't have any bank account, so we will create by pressing Alt C. Bank account, which is SBI, so it will be a bank account, and I don't want to put any other details for now. Just press FC, Ctrl A for save this. Saving is complete. The 20,000 is automatically taken here. Keep pressing enter. I want to put 500 its note for 40. Then 40 will be the 20,000. The 20,000 calculation is complete. So we'll press enter, accept, yes. Now we will come here in the accounting voucher creation again. Now we'll press F6 for receipt entry. The receipt selection is complete. Now we'll press F2 again. Then we'll put the date 31st 07 2024. Then we will be enter these items, which is credit will be the wood and furniture. For this we have to press Alt C, and we will have to create wood furniture limited. Oh, sorry. It is our sundry debtors, so select sundry debtors, bill by bill, no credit limit I want to put, so press Ctrl A for save the screen. The screen is saved. Now we will press put the amount, which is 25,000. Press enter. Then bill wise details will be the against reference. The reference number I have, so which is sale slash WF slash 01 slash 18. Oh, I don't okay, I'll make this new reference because we don't have any, so we'll make this entry cell slash wf slash 01 slash 01 slash 24. Press enter. Keep pressing enter. The column is complete. Now the debit will be the bank, so we'll select this bank. Press enter. Press enter. Put the interest number, which is 32150, which is mentioned in our question. Interest date is 31st July 2024. Okay, all the things are completed, so we'll press Ctrl A for save this screen. Press enter. Accept. Yes. Now we will make another entry, which is payment entry. Press F5 for payment entry. Press F2 for date. The date will be 02/08/2024. So press enter. The date is selected. Now we will select the Day Brothers, which we don't have, so we will create one by pressing Alt C. Day, you will have these all, because when we will made BRS, but as I made new company and try to make this all these entries, so I don't have any other records, so I will made this all records BRS. And then we should check to BRS it will be Sunday creditors. Press enter. Press Ctrl A for save. The amount will be the 50,000. 50,000 is completed. Then I want to put this new reference. I want to put the name, which is Day Bros slash 01 slash 01. Press enter. Press enter. The amount is automatically selected, so just press enter, and the credit will be the SBI bank account. So we'll select the SBI from here. The amount is automatically taken. Press enter. Because we don't have any this much amount, so it is showing in negative. And then press enter. Just put the interest number 65430, which is mentioned in our question, and the date is 2 August 2024, and the bank is SBI. So press Ctrl A for save this screen, and press enter for accept. Yes, the accept is complete. All the entries are completed, and in our next part of this video we will check the bank ledger balance as per our company book on accounts. Okay, thank you for watching.